Yo, what up, YouTube? We got an unboxing today. I just picked this up. I pre-ordered it last week. This is the Google Fitbit Air. What's good about this is you do not need a subscription. You can just use it out the box. We're going to unbox it and see what that's like. And it only costs $99. So we might be getting rid of the Apple Watch and rocking with the Google Fitbit Air. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. See if we like it. All right, here we go. We got ourselves the Google Fitbit Air. So let's open this thing up and see what it's rocking with. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna rip it open. Definitely ripping it open. I don't plan on returning it, so it's all good. All right, this is it. This is it. The Google Fitbit Air. It's a single strap. Comes with a USB-C connector dock. Yep, this is the dock. This is how you charge it right there. I'm assuming rip this off and you connect this here to charge it. Cool, easy, very simple. Could probably 3D print something to put this on. And let's see what it looks like on the wrist, because that's the important part. The important part here is what it looks like on wrist. Is it bulky? Is it chill? Oh, I think, oh, this hides. Oh, so it is kind of chill. Oh, it's super chill. It just looks like a chill ass bracelet. I kind of like it, dude. I like it a lot. All right, let's see. Let's see what it's like on app. I guess we're gonna have to pull it up, scan the QR code, pull it up, and we'll see what we got. All right, let's scan the QR code, bring this thing up, and see what we gotta do to connect it. Looks like we're gonna have to sign into our account. All right, looks like we're gonna need the Google Health app. We got the Google Health app. Let's sign in with Google. Let me do all my stuff. All right, we're in the app. Here we go. We're putting in the weight, 240 these days, 6'3". Sure, agree to everything, right? Because what does it even matter anymore? Stay updated, no thanks. How would you like us to track your health? Connect the Fitbit. Fitbit Air. Here she is. Start setup. Agree to everything. An error occurred. There we go. Power up and let's start. All right, how do we power it? Keep your Fitbit Air charged near your phone until the setup is done. Okay, so now we gotta get it on the charger. All right, here we go. Let's charge her up. All right, she's charging. We got a light. Continue. Now, the reason I bought this Fitbit, just to try it, I mean, it was only $100. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought it because it's $100. That's literally what happened. Location, I guess we gotta give it some location access. Let's do while using the app. All right, get notifications, sure, whatever. I don't like to do notifications, but okay, we'll try them. Let's do banners. All right. United States, continue, update. Update out the box. It's usually how these things are. All right, folks, while this is updating, I'd like to take this time to say, let's go Knicks. The Knicks are in the finals for the first time in 26 years. I got all kinds of merch over here. We got hats on deck. All the hats, different colors. I'm ready to go. So we're going to test this Fitbit out when the Knicks win the championship and we're running through the parade. All right, I'll have the Fitbit on me for that. How about that? Can't wait. Here we go. Your Fitbit Air is ready. Continue to know Fitbit Air. Firmly double tap the device to see the status. White over 20%, blinking red below 20%. All right, so it's blinking white. We should be good, right? Yeah, we should be good. I also heard this thing. Oh, you can switch the band. I was 100% wrong. Hold the device sides and gently push against the fabric to pop out the band. Hold the device sides. These things are always look way harder than they seem. Yeah, that's not going to work. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, dude. Oh, so you could swap bands. Oh, no, this is great. All right, I'm more pumped now. That's actually great. Sometimes you just got to look at the instructions. All right, let's place this thing on the hand. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. Sure, I don't want it to be too tight. There we go. That's good. That feels nice. All right, don't wear it too tight. There you go. Keep it clean and dry. Fair enough. You can wash it regularly, it says, with fresh water and some hyperallergenic soap. Sure. Give your wrist a rest. Also fair. Thank you for letting us know. 3 months of health coaching. No, thank you. I'm not interested in that. I just want to lock and go. All right, syncing my data. And I think we're ready to rock. All right, that's it. We're done. Oh, you can also connect it to Apple Health. Oh, interesting. Sure, sync that up. Turn on all that. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. I guess. All right, cool. Connect medical records. Oh, shit. See the new sleep score experience? All right, these are a lot of things I'm going to have to dabble with. But I think for now, we're just going to leave it as is. All right, 84% charge. I heard it charges super quick and lasts for a very long time. I'm not sure the exact specs. I guess I could Google it real quick. For 5 minutes, it'll get you a full day. But in 90 minutes, we'll get you to 100%, which is for 7 days. I mean, that's pretty legit. That's pretty legit. All right, cool. Awesome. All right, I think W in the chat for the Google Fitbit Air. I'm excited to get it rocking and compare it to the Apple Watch, which is a little bit too big sometimes. This I feel like would be way better. Also, I've been having issues. Apple Watch touches the tattoos and will pause my workouts. So I'm interested to see if this will do the same thing. If it touches the tattoos and pauses the workouts, or it doesn't. If it doesn't, that means it's better than Apple Watch. So I will let you know how that goes. I will work out with it this week and I will write it in the comments. All right. That's it for now. Google Fitbit Air, $100, not sponsored. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.